Hey guys, and welcome back, or if you're new, welcome. Thank you so much for watching me today. How are you doing? I hope you guys are having a good day. So today I have a Temu haul. A lot of you might know them. They are pretty popular now. They reached out to me and asked me if I would want to work with them. The reason behind me saying yes to them was how extremely affordable they are, and the best thing is they have free shipping as well. So I thought I would share with you guys in case any of you don't know about them and you are on a budget. Their website is fantastic. You can find pretty much everything on their website, from clothing, shoes, hair accessories, jewelry, purses, and kitchen tools, also pet supplies. So you can buy pretty much everything on their website for really very affordable. They are cheaper than Shein or Amazon or any other retailers, and free shipping is fantastic. Also, on the top of that, you can use my code STAY594 to save an additional 30%. So I will link also all of the products down below that I have picked up for me. So everything you will see in this video was sent to me from them for free, but I got to pick what I want for me. So yeah, let me show you what I have picked up. I will face the camera that way. Okay guys, let's get started. I wanted to film this haul like this so that you could see everything better. I will give you my honest opinion and thoughts on each and every product right here. First impression is I love the packaging and everything was secure, nothing was broken, so pretty good. So I picked up this set right here. I love butterflies and I love this really vibrant pretty blue color, so I wanted to give it a try. So it comes with a bracelet, earrings, and also a chain which looks like this. I wanted to show you how it looks on. I think it is super cute, you guys, and for the price 10 on 10, I would highly recommend this jewelry set right here. I think it is really very cute. Then I picked up this one as well. So this one also have earrings and chain. This one doesn't come with bracelet, but honestly I really like this one as well. I think it is super duper cute for the price. Next up, I also picked up these really beautiful earrings. I ordered only one of these. They sent me two of these, which is so nice of them. I really love them a lot, you guys. Look at the style. So this one is multi-color one, and here is one of these. I wanted to show you guys how it looks when you wear them. I think these are so fun and pretty. Next up, I ordered this clip right here. As I said, I love butterflies, so when I see this on their website, I just wanted to grab it. So look at it, how cute it looks on here, and their stuff is cheaper than Dollar Tree. I mean the hair accessories, but the quality is really nice, way better than Dollar Tree. Also, I ordered this hair accessory right here as well. I still need to figure out how to use it, but this one is also really good quality, as you guys can see, and was super affordable. Also, I grabbed this hair clip as well. I thought it was cute and the quality is really good on this as well. I'm just being so honest with you guys. Also, these hair ties was part of my order too, because you can never have enough hair ties, and these are reasonable and good. Also, I ordered this powder puff. I love powder puffs, so I just wanted to give this one a try. It is really soft and looks like a good quality. I have not tried it yet, but I'm excited for this. Then I ordered this brush as well. This looked really interesting on their website. This is for eyebrow. I have not tried it yet, but it looks soft and pretty good quality. I have no complaints. It's sturdy and good quality. Here you can see the bristles for this. Then I also ordered this palette right here. The packaging reminds me of Forever, Makeup Forever, but this is a blush palette from this brand right here. I don't know this brand, but I love cream blushes, so I just wanted to give it a try. So here you can see the packaging. I think the packaging is really cute, and it cannot be break easily because it's tin, and when you open it up, that's how the shades are. You get pretty much everything, and this palette was also really very affordable. I will link everything down below if this stuff is not sold out yet. So here you can see the shades for this up close. I wanted to swatch one or two of the shades to show you guys. So this shade I just swatched right here. So here is one of the shade. What you guys think of this blush? I can't believe because honestly I really like the quality on this blush. I have not tried it on my cheeks yet, but by seeing this swatch it looks like a good blush. Then I also swatched this shade right here. Just wanted to give you guys a little bit, you know, hint how the product is in case you guys are interested in this. I only swatched three shades. On the middle I swatched another one as well. Then also for makeup, I picked up this Any Lady Dreaming in Colors 26 Colors Shadow Palette. And you can see the packaging for this. It comes with this dual-ended brush as well. And look at the color story. I love color stories like this, like everyday wearable and neutral shades. So I wanted to show you the swatches for this shade right here and also shimmer shade right next to it. So this one is the matte shade swatch. I hope you can see. And right next to it, I swatched the shimmer shade as well. You guys, what do you think? I don't want to say everything is good, but honestly, I am kind of like surprised to see the quality on their makeup. Uh, I hope it turns out really good on eyes as well, but by seeing the swatches, I was honestly really very surprised with this palette right here. And these are like extremely affordable as well. Then I also swatched this shade right here as well. And this palette have this glitter as well, so I thought it would fun to show you guys how the glitter is. Honestly, the glitter is a mess. I don't like it at all, but rest of the shades looks quite impressive. I want to try it on my eyes like tomorrow or someday soon, because I'm super excited for this palette. I think it's pretty good. Next up, I picked up this product right here. So this is matte velvet lipstick set. So you can see the expiration date as well, and also ingredients for all products, which I really appreciate. So when you open it up, that's how these lipsticks looks like. So these are matte lip glosses, lipstick sort of product. First impression, the packaging is stunning. When you hold it, it's not like really good quality or heavy weighted product, but honestly the packaging is so cute. And look at the shades. So here is how the applicator is. I swatched this shade right here, which you see right here, and honestly the shade is super pigmented. I have no complaints on this shade right here. I think it's really good, and it's not drying because it's like lip gloss, matte lip gloss. I don't know what this product is, but it's not drying on skin, which is very good. I always have really dry chapped lips, so I think I'm going to enjoy it. Then this shade right here I swatched right here. You can see this shade is so pretty, and I love wearing shades like this. So honestly, I do love this lipstick set so much. Then I also picked up this Make Cover Matte BB cream. This one was in the shade 100, and I didn't like it at all. First off, the shade is not that good, and also I'm not impressed with the formula as well. So I don't think I would recommend this product right here. When you blend it, here is how it is, and I see that it is like it oxidizes really quickly as well. Then I also picked up this little set. So this is a brush set, travel brush set. So these are mini sizes of brushes. On website, the brushes look so cute. I thought maybe the quality is nice and I can travel with these. Honestly, the quality is good, but not like really impressive. It would work if you want to create a look, but these are not like softest bristles ever, but super affordable, and I love the packaging. Next up, they sent me this waterproof protection lip and eyeliner, which looks like this. So this is a black liner, and that's how it is when you swatch it. I swatched it like twice or thrice. It is not really jet black, and I like it, but I don't love it. You know, it is just okay product, and when you little bit blend it, that's how it looks like. Also, they send me pull out clean soft towels. So these are fantastic. These are super soft, and this is for, you know, after washing your face you can use it. And I like how it comes in this little bag, so that you know, it's good for hygiene purposes as well, and you get quite a lot of product in this. So yeah, I do really like this product right here. And I also ordered this winter bucket hat. I thought it was so cute, and you guys, the quality is fantastic on this hat. It feels like $20 hat, and it was really affordable. I wanted it in a different color. I asked them to send me, you know, the camel color, but they sent me this one. I'm not mad about it. I think it is really cute. Here you can see me wearing it. So yeah, I do recommend this product from them. Really cute. Next up, I ordered this stainless steel folding strainer. I thought this is very useful. I do, you know, deep fry stuff at home, and honestly, this is also a good quality product. I do recommend this as well. Then also, I ordered this pajama set. I love pajamas. I can never have enough of those. And this one right here is amazing quality, to be very honest to you guys. Really thick, and feels like really good quality pajama set. Mine is in the size medium, but I think their sizes runs small, especially for this pajama. If you wear medium, you should order a large. Also, if you are tall, then you need to see the, you know, measurements for your height and stuff. But I love this pajama set right here. Then lastly, I ordered two products for my cat Cookie. So this is the food mat. How cute it is. I love this little cat shaped food mat, but the size is really small. I thought it's going to be a little bit large, to be honest. Also, I ordered this food bowl and water dispenser as well, which is super cute. Look at it, you guys. So it fits in here. Here you can see. And this is the water bottle. So this is the automatic water bottle. You can fill it up and then attach it to here. And here you can see Cookie eating his food and enjoying. I think he loved it so much. So yes, you guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this haul. Take care and bye bye.